Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today video is something many English learners secretly struggle with but rarely talk about. You learn new words, you watch English videos, you try to speak, but still your English does not improve the way you want. And you begin to think, maybe English is not for me, maybe I'm not good at language. But the truth is, there's nothing wrong with you. There's just something wrong with the method you are using. So today, we are going to talk about why your English is not improving and exactly how you to fix it. If you are tired of slow progress, this video is going to change everything. Watching English video is not enough. Listening to English content is not enough. If you are only consuming English but not using it, your brain stay in observe mode. It's like watching people at the gym and expecting your muscles to grow. So how do you fix this? You speak, you repeat, you shadow, you write. You stop being a watcher and you become a participant. From today, every time you watch something in English, repeat one sentence from it. Just one sentence. That's active learning and that's real improvement. Perfection kills progress. So many learners wait until they have perfect grammar, perfect vocabulary, perfect accent before they start speaking. But hear the truth, you don't become fluent before speaking, you become fluent by speaking. Native speakers make mistakes too. So instead of waiting to be perfect, focus on being understandable and confident. Repeat this line after me. It's okay to make mistake. I'm learning, I'm growing. Many learners memorize long list of vocabulary, but vocabulary that you don't use disappears. That's why your memory feel weak. It's not your fault. It's the method. Learn fewer words and use them more. If you learn the word improve, use it in 2 3 lines that day. I want to improve my speaking. I'm improving slowly. That's how vocabulary stay in your brain permanently. You live in a non-English speaking country. Your family does not speak English. Your friend does not speak English. So how can your English improve? It's simple. You create your own environment. When you surround yourself with English, your mind adapts. Language grows where there is exposure. Thinking in your own language and translating into English slow everything down. That's why you hesitate, pause, forget words. The solution is to force yourself to think in English. It's to start thinking in tiny English thoughts, not big sentence, just a small ones like I'm tired, I'm hungry, this is interesting, I like this. Small thought lead to bigger thoughts, and one day you stop translating completely. One of the biggest reason people don't improve is fear of being laughed at, fear of speaking incorrectly, fear of looking stupid. But listen carefully. People who laugh at learner are already behind you. People who improve never laugh at others. Fluency belongs to those who are brave enough to start, not those who wait for confidence. Courage comes before confidence. Grammar is helpful, but grammar is not the starting point. Native speakers did not learn grammar first. They learned by listening, speaking, repeating, and grammar came later, naturally. Instead of memorizing rule, do this. Listen to correct English, repeat correct sentences, observe pattern, use the pattern. You learn grammar through experience, not pressure. You don't need 1 hour of English every day. You just need 10 minutes of consistency practice. English is not a race. Language grows slowly, silently, and suddenly you see the results. Sometimes improvement is invisible, but that does not mean it's not happening. Just like plants grow under the soil before they appear, your fluency is growing inside you every day. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helpful you to understand your English journey better, hit the like button, share this with someone who need it, and subscribe for more real, honest English improvement video. Remember, your English is not stuck, it's growing. And today, you just unlock the next level. I will see you in the next video.